36.
36, good job. So here we can, when we want to color something like this, it's good to start from the most restricted one. Which of these circles?
Bottom right.
Yes, this one. It has three cases. You say, okay, for example, it has color A. And this one is not related to others, but it shouldn't be
Yeah.
A, so you multiply by 2, but now. For these two things, they have same color or different colors, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we should select two things, copy. Okay, so for the first case, we select XX. So when you select XX, you can select from two colors. You multiply it by 2, and then they are same. So for this one, how many cases do we have for this?
2.
Good. For this one, if you select different colors, in how many ways can you select these two colors?
2.
2 times 1, yes, which is 2. And then for this one, how many cases are there?
1.
1. So it is 2. It is 4. Summation is 6. 6 times 6, 36, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try next one. This one, try this one first on your own.
Okay. I think I solved it.
Okay, can you explain? So A is what, B is what?
A is 3, B is 6.
Okay, can you explain?
Yeah. So basically, it has to be divisible by 1. And then since it has to be not divisible by exactly 1, it'll probably also be divisible by 2, 3, and 4, because those are factors of 6 and 8 and 9. So then you just have to check divisibility by 5, 7, 8, and 9. So to be divisible by 8, the last two digits has to be divisible by 8. So if it is divisible by 8, then b will have to be 6. And if not, then it'll be divisible by 5. So b would have to be 0. And b also has to be even, which is why it can't be 5. So you just have to check b6, and that would mean a is 3, because it also has to be divisible by 9. So then you just have to check the two possibilities for divisibility by 7.
Exactly. From the beginning, also, you can say if it is multiple of 5, this number should be even, right?
Yeah.
Because we have 8, we have 6, 4, to all these things. So if it is multiple of 5, then we conclude B is 0, right?
Yeah.
And when B is 0, 9 for 4, last two digits, 90 is not multiple of 4, so 4 would be bad, right?
Yeah.
Also, 8 would be bad because 890 is not multiple of 8. So that's a contradiction for this case. So it's not multiple of 5, and so it should be multiple of all other numbers. And as you said, because of 8, B should be 6. And then you can consider 9 for some of the digits. So if you consider mod 9, it would be A plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 times 10 over 2, right?
Yeah.
Mod 9 should be 0, right?
Yeah.
And also we should add 6. So this one is 0, A plus 6 is this. So A is congruent to negative 6, which is 3. And the only number that is possible is A3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we solved this problem related to hexagon, regular hexagon. And now let me tell you one problem related to regular polygon. So this one. Try this one, then we'll work on rest of AMC, okay?
Okay. Can I have a hint?
Okay, sure. So consider, let me copy two figures from this, and let's do something. Here, let's erase this part. Okay, so now HD and HM. So I should prove what?
They're on the same line.
Yes, suppose it is alpha.
Oh,
This
same
angle is
angle.
beta. I should prove what relationship between, or let's consider this one alpha, this one beta. I should prove what relationship do we have between alpha and beta?
That the angle is the same.
Yes, and it's not hard to calculate alpha and beta. Want more hint or that's enough?
That's enough.
Okay.
Okay, I solved it.
Okay, so can you explain?
Yeah, so for the left one, you can draw di, and then since dh is equal to di, that means you have two angles of alpha. And then
Yes, you can use this, but let me tell you an easier way. Do you agree we have a circle that passes through all these things?
yeah,
So 360 over 9 is one of them, one arc, right?
yeah, 40.
So you should say 360 over, let me write like this, 360 over 9 times what alpha sees how many arcs?
4.
4. Then you divide it by 2 because it is inscribed angle, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, and it is 2, 360 over 9 is 40, 80, right?
Yeah,
Now, can you tell me this angle is what?
120.
This angle is what?
20.
180 times, let me, 180 times n minus 2, 9 minus 2, 7 over 9, right?
Yeah,
So 140. Agreed?
yeah,
140 minus 120, this one is 20. So 180 minus 20, 160 beta, it is isosceles triangle. Because
yeah.
IM is equal to this one is equal to this one. So 180 minus 20 over 2 again is 80, it is beta, right?
Yeah.
So we prove this. Okay.